The Caudabe synthesis case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra strikes an impressive balance between protection and style, making it one of the most compelling options on the market. What immediately stands out is its innovative shock light perimeter, a proprietary shock-absorbing polymer that works in tandem with the durable hardshell back to provide serious drop protection without excessive bulk. The grip on this case is particularly noteworthy. The dot matrix pattern along the sides isn't just for show. It provides confident handling for a phone as large as the S25 Ultra. The textured back not only adds to the secure feel, but also does an excellent job at resisting fingerprints, a common annoyance with many premium cases. The precision-machined aluminum buttons deserve special mention, offering possibly the best tactile feedback I've experienced on any case. Caudabe's approach to MagSafe integration is equally impressive. The high-grade neodymium magnets they've used exceed Apple's guidelines for third-party accessories, resulting in consistently strong connections with all magnetic accessories and chargers. The raised lip around the screen provides adequate protection without being obtrusive. However, the case does come at a premium price point, but considering the level of engineering that's gone into it, from the reinforced sides to the shock-absorbing ridges in the inner perimeter, it's a justifiable expense for anyone looking to protect their S25 Ultra. While some might prefer more colorful options, the minimalist design language speaks to those who appreciate understated elegance. For S25 Ultra owners seeking a case that combines superior protection with refined aesthetics, the Caudabe synthesis makes a compelling argument for itself, despite the higher price tag.